Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Travelodge in Chicago. Hence, going to Miko Expo in Chicago. I needed a place to stay in Chicago, and that's what brings me to the Travelodge, which is very conveniently located. Which is very conveniently located 1/4 mile away from the auditorium theater. So, without further ado, let me give you a little tour of this room here. If I can figure out how to turn the lights on. Oh, there's no light over here. Okay, so check it out. You walk in this door here. Immediately to the left, you close the toilet lid. Immediately to the left, you got a closet. Some of the pipes are kind of exposed here, but I guess it's not too bad of a thing. It's just not very aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, there's a closet, ironing board with an iron safe, hangers. Moving on to the left, we got the bathroom. Wow, that's bright. We got the bathroom. Your favorite content creator. Miko shirt for Miko Expo, of course. And a very nice view. Actually, this hotel has a lot of really nice views like this. I'll show you more in a minute. Toilet with the public restroom flusher, which is just kind of different. We got the shower in here. Well, the bathtub with a shower. And now let's see what we got here. What's this? Oh, we got body wash and shampoo and conditioner. That's more than I've seen in even more expensive ones. And I have 2 beds because I'm actually meeting someone here later and we're splitting the cost over 3 days. Which was $400, cut in half, that's $200 for 3 days for a hotel 1/4 mile away in Chicago. That is not bad at all. Anyway, here's the bed. There's the desk with some tissues and a lamp. Plenty of outlets. And then we come to this nightstand here with a clock on it, landline for anyone that wants to use that. And we have the TV over here, which is fine, but it's kind of like all on this side. So like if you turn it on, the person over here doesn't have like the perfect angle for it. See what I'm saying? But I mean, it's fine. And right next to the TV, we have an ice bucket and coffee cups, which is kind of an odd place to put it. Onto this window here with another great view of the city. And the air conditioner / heater. No, that's the air conditioner. I think this is the heater. Huh. I have not seen. That's pretty vintage. Is this heat too? Oh yeah, it is. So I think like this was heat, and they just never took it out. They have it like permanently in the window, which I don't know why they would do that, but I mean it's not a bad thing. Oh, and we could look out that window and see the CTA train going by. So, my overall opinion of this hotel. I think it's dirty on the outside. Oh, is it broken on the outside? My overall opinion is that aesthetically, it showed its age. But overall, it's in a great location and very affordable. And overall, a good experience. And that's why the hotel is good. Right? Yay. Thank you for watching.